Today we are going to make cinnamon rolls. So
I think it's very easy.
like 5 minutes to knead the dough.
We are here to have fun with you in your kitchen. My name is Chef Angie.
I'm Chef Cathy.
So what are we doing today, Chef Cathy?
So today we are going to make cinnamon rolls. Our flour. So we have some flour and we have a sugar. Angie, do you want to help me with the salt?
Yes. In goes the salt.
Oh, please let's mix this as Angie helps us with the yeast mixture. What is this?
Yeast gone bad.
Always make sure that you don't put your yeast directly to the salt.
Yes.
As you are mixing. So we are going to get in the rest of that wet ingredients.
Guys, cinnamon rolls are very easy to make. Now that your children are in the holidays, please engage them. Let them watch and get the ingredients.
That's the egg. We already have the butter in.
Yeah.
And then she's going to add for me water gradually, guys. So we will need this for some time until the dough is soft.
So do I need gloves? We've never seen gloves.
Oh, no, you don't need gloves. You can just wash your hands very well with soap. No. So, are you telling me that I'm just being the chef?
So the basic thing is to have your hands clean, yeah?
Yes.
Your nails short.
Sure thing.
Okay, so as you need, Chef Cathy, I want to ask you a question. Do you need more water?
No, please. This is just enough.
I want to ask you these peppers here. I'm just going to take a random one and ask you a question. Choose, and only that choose.
Guys, I'm scared.
So, what is on your bucket list?
What a nice question.
Simplify it. What is the one thing you most want to do? Kari, talk about bungee jumping, please. Let's not go there.
It can't be bungee jumping. You guys, I'm a big dreamer, sorry. So New York. You know New York? You know me, imagine me at Times Square there, standing, taking a picture, posing, all those.
Hey,
yeah, that is
but
me.
You know we can Photoshop that.
No, please.
We can Photoshop
no way. Our dough is ready.
New York. Going to New York.
Yeah.
Visiting or staying there.
Staying there.
I just we need that dough.
We are done. We are done. We are actually done. Yeah. Guys, we are done kneading our dough. Very good. So
I think it's very easy.
Yeah, it took like 5 minutes to knead the dough, and we are good to go. So we are going to cover it with a damp cloth, and then leave it to cook, or what we call double in size, for around 15 minutes. So we'll be back after 15 minutes. Okay. See you then.
We are back.
Really?
We are back, and we are done proofing.
So our dough is proofed. We're going to have it on our worktop. If you're using your table at home, feel free to dust. So we are going to, with some flour, we are going to knead it a little bit more, just to remove the excess hair. Okay. Roll the dough into our rectangular.
So we are. What are we going to spread?
So as you do that, I'm going to just grease our pan, and after rolling, you spread it with butter.
Oh, some butter.
Yes, some butter. So the butter just helps the bread to stay moist. If you don't have any,
when can this
cocktail bites, tea bites, snack for the kids. Hey, Mala.
Am I doing well?
Yeah, you're actually doing well. That's good enough.
Good enough. Okay.
So we are going to get a palette knife. Palette knife, and we are going to spread. So you can do that.
Spread some butter.
So we're just going to make mini cinnamon rolls.
Like one bite size, eh?
Yeah, one bite size.
Depends on your...
But someone said you will double the recipe.
Okay.
Yeah.
I'm
You
done.
want more of that?
I'm done.
This is brown sugar with cinnamon in it. Chef Angie,
can I add a little?
Yeah, a little more.
A little, because they are cinnamon rolls. So when you taste the cinnamon roll, I think you should taste
Why am I using a spoon? I think we'll go in with our hands. You can.
I think this would be fun with the children.
Very, very fun.
Because you can be as messy as you want.
Yeah.
Okay. Is this enough?
Are you sure you want it that sweet? Okay, that's good enough.
Okay.
Just
cover all the edges.
Cover all the edges.
Spread it out properly. It's quite messy.
Yeah. That's why we have a pastry mat.
Oh,
so you can roll your side, chef.
So we want a cylindrical shape. So a chili shape. Akazingo kaulide.
Hey. Transform.
So,
there are different things you can use to cut cinnamons or shape them. You can show them this. Or you can use a knife. That's a pizza cutter. So I prefer to use the string, and I'm going to first get off this baby one.
This is mine.
Yeah.
For testing.
You deserve it. So we'll go in.
We're making mini ones, eh?
Mini. Chef Angie. So you can use the first one to measure.
Ask you. Chef, first do the second one. First do the second one.
Okay.
So isn't this easier? Well, you know me, I like shortcuts. These things are like kitchen. I like shortcuts.
Okay, you're going to use that. Let's just use both methods.
I hope it comes out the same way. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Let me try this. Hey. Okay. Because this changes the shape. But does it matter? I hope I'm doing the same size.
Yes, you are. Oh, pretty.
So when you are placing them in the pan, you follow some particular order, or just feel free?
Just make sure you give them enough space to double in size.
They're going to prove again?
Yes, please.
Wow.
So egg wash, I don't know if you have our egg wash ready.
Why do we egg wash?
To give them extra shine.
Okay, let's go with the egg wash. Just little egg.
Even on the sides?
Even on the sides, eh? Okay.
Oh, that's good.
Good, eh?
Yeah. So we are going to cover our cinnamon rolls for proofing the second time. We'll give them 10 to 15 minutes. Our rolls are ready. It's time to plate. We have left them cool and they bake for 20 minutes, right?
20 minutes? Okay, yes.
So Chef Angie is going to help us there with the plating.
So what do we do? We put them apart, or?
It depends on how you want them served. Yes.
The pan as well.
Yeah, sure. So we're just trying to get our rolls out of the pan. Oh, me too. Let's just cut this through.
Very simple. So it's not, if you don't want to eat buns, you're tired of eating buns.
Yeah.
Have this simple
cinnamon
ready,
rolls ready for the kids to pick. Oh,
or
I'm already
spiced
imagining.
African.
You know, that's my
Spiced
favorite.
African tea or spiced black tea.
And this enough, chef?
Okay, garnish them a little.
So we are garnishing. You can use royal icing. We just mix some water with icing sugar, just a little drizzle, and boom, we have our cinnamon rolls ready.
And it's time to test.
Ah,
You know the advantage of being a chef,
you're always tasting.
that you get to taste. And guys, I'm not saying like you really eat until
Eating is different from
down.
tasting.
Yes,
That's what she's
just
trying to say.
tasting.
So, look at this. The buns are soft and fluffy. I don't know if you can get that. And then the cinnamon.
They're very soft, moist on the inside. Very nice.
Recipe is very easy to try out at home, right?
Yes, yes.
Okay. So I think this is the time where we say.
I'm still chewing.
It's the time where we just say
Bye.
But before we say bye,
Oh, yes.
Chef, why were you so quick to say
sorry.
bye?
I'm sorry. You wanted to say something?
Yes, I want to interest you. If you want to make such wonderful cinnamon rolls, and maybe you've tried at home and it failed,
And more pastries?
yes, come to 7-Star Culinary Institute in Ntinda along Dr. Asaya Road. And we are going to leave a number in the description box where you can reach us out on so pastries and different cuisines.
Yes.
Yeah. So till next time, see you guys.
Bye-bye.
Bye.